So now it's time to start working on the deck. This is the last major structural element that needs to be constructed yet. So for the bulk of the framing, I'm going to be using this pressure-treated 2x6 lumber, and I'm cutting a bunch of pieces to size before I take them all over. These are 16-foot lengths, so I found it easier to just cut this with the circular saw rather than trying to rig up the miter saws, and it's a little unlevel.